Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to work with the actors page. Basically, we just finished the categories one, and we're basically going to do the same thing with the actors. So okay, let me close all of these ones, and as always, let's start with the models. Models here, and then here we're just going to create a new function called get absolute URL, right? This will return same thing that we'll need to import the from Django that URLs import reverse. We'll return a reversed. We don't have the name yet. We haven't created yet, so let's just put actors or actor. We just put actors, right? And then the arguments will be self, then the slot, right? Pretty much. Let's save that. Goodbye. Now let's go to our reviews, and then like here we're going to create a review. Actors, we will take a request and the actor slot. Okay. For checklist, right render and get object or 404. Let's copy. Basically actor will be equal this one, and then we pass. We need to import first from actor dot models import actor. Oops. Oh, and also from movie dot models import movie. Okay, and then actor. And then we pass the slug, and then like actor, the parameter here, like actor slug. And then movies will be equal to movie.objects.filter. And then actors, that's the field, right? Actors will be actor. So we're going to display all the movies that has this actor, right? Let's go to here. Let me just copy. We can just copy all of these, right? Ooh, with the pagination and everything. Paste it over here. Pagination. We need to import the pagination. Let's just go to the top. From Django core. Paginator, import paginator, movies, page number, movie data, and then like here, we put actor, and then actor, and then the template. What's the name of the template? Let me see. Actor. Yeah, I think that we got everything. That should work. Let's save that. Now let me see. Now let's go to the URLs. And here I just imported and created. It's the same thing. It's the same thing like that we did with the. If you don't have the URLs, that .py file, just create it. And I just created here. And we just need to. Let's go to our main URLs because we need to include those URLs here. Let's paste it over here, and then like actors, and then include actors.url. and then let's save that. Yeah, remember to create your URLs like that. Okay, pass the actors log and I call the name and stuff. Okay, let's close, and then let's jump to our template. Actor, yes, actor here. Actually, let's just open this one, the category, and then let's copy all of these. I bet it has a banner, so oh no, oh yeah, because yeah, anyway, let's copy this one from the section, up, and then content, and then in block, and here, let me see where these arrows sends. Yeah, these two. We don't need these two. Oops. Oh yeah, we need to fix this. Yeah, we need to put and then static. Yeah. We don't have a picture right now. We're going to work with that later, but just to see if it works, let's just put that one just for testing purpose. We're going to work on that. And then here is the name of the actor, which is actor here, none for, and here we copy this and I paste it over here, and then we copy the paginator here, yep, and save that. Yeah, none for like actor, la la la. And yeah, that should work. Let's refresh. Oh, it's not running. No more names, actors. Let me see. What else? Actor.urls. Sorry. Run server. Sorry. I got lots of typos. Oh, we need to fix this one. This here. Let's go to our movie details. Actors. Yeah, we need to fix these two. Yeah, here. And this info should be here and here. We should have a name. Nope. Let's actually put it here. Yes, here. Actor. Then actor get absolute URL. And then let's save that. Refresh. And then let's check Alan Howard. As you can see, the link showing Alan Howard. Loader. Let's go to our views. Yeah, in our views we forgot to run Django.template import loader. Oh, Also from Django.http import HTTP response. And here we go. Ooh, what is that? Oh, here. Let's check. I don't think that we said the actor. Okay, static. Oh, are you serious? That's why. Okay, so save that and refresh. There we go. Okay, here we have the actor with his pictures, and yeah, and we click on the movies, and then let's try this person. Adam Howard, no, Sarah Baker. This picture of Sarah Baker. No, I'll apply. But yeah, we're going to work with the picture later. Yeah, it's working. This is it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.